Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. I know we all are very much curious about to know what are the other people who are watching our stories but we can't even know. So today I'm going to show you an easy and amazing trick. See who are they actually. So for that, go to your Facebook application, go to your icon button, go to the setting option, go to your profile setting. After that, scroll down a little bit and you will be able to see the option story setting. Then go to that and you will be able to see the story privacy. Click on it and there is an option named custom. Click on the custom button. From here you can actually custom your friends who can watch your story, but there is an option here you most of them don't know. Just slide down this page. So here you can see some of the list of the people. So these are the people who are not your friends but watch your stories. So from here you can easily see who are the people who watches your story. So isn't that so much easy to find that other people who watches your story? So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.